AMETEK is a leading global manufacturer of electronic instruments and electric motors. With its headquarters in the United States, AMETEK has over 7,500 employees at 40 manufacturing plants in the United States and 10 other countries. Annual sales are approaching $1 billion, and one-third of those sales are to markets outside the United States. AMETEK is a leader in advanced monitoring, testing, calibrating, and display instruments sold to the aerospace, heavy vehicle, and process industries worldwide. It is also the world's largest manufacturer of air-moving electric motors for the floor care industry and brushless air-moving motors for the aerospace, business machine, medical, and computer markets. AMETEK Calibration Instruments is a competent partner within the calibration equipment industry. We cover solutions ranging from primary pressure standards, digital pressure systems, temperature reference thermometers, and dry block calibrators, to easy-to-use signal and loop calibrators. Our business is traceable temperature, pressure, and signal calibrators, designed for use in critical process control, general process control, custody transfer, and laboratory applications. In 1980, AMETEK Jafra introduced the first dry block temperature calibrator designed for industrial use. The first model, the EVJ200S, was an immediate success. Since then, AMETEK has led the market with its dry block calibrators and through the years has developed many new models. A prime example of Jafra's innovation is the Jafra SE series. Released in 1990, it was the first dry block calibrator with a microprocessor and a design that allowed for control by software via its computer interface. Now, entering the new millennium, AMETEK is ready to introduce a product that will set new standards for industrial temperature calibration. The Advanced Temperature Calibrator, called the Jafra ATC series. With its completely new core element, this series is designed to meet the new EA guidelines established by European standard laboratories. The Jafra ATC series combines the accuracy of laboratory calibrators with the speed and portability of dry block calibrators. AMETEK is taking dry block calibrators into a new dimension. The construction of the ATC series means that you can now calibrate many different types of sensors, including liquid-filled and large mechanical sensors. The heating element is constructed in two zones. Each is independently controlled. The homogeneity in the active part of the heating element is close to that of a laboratory liquid bath. The lower region ensures optimal heat dissipation throughout the entire block, and the upper region compensates for heat transport from the sensor under test and from the top of the block. This design feature also eliminates the need for insulation of the sensor under test. The Jafra ATC series greatly improves your calibration results. Not only does this series have a built-in reference sensor in the well, it is also equipped with an external reference thermometer, thus enabling one instrument to provide you with the freedom to perform your calibrations at the process site while maintaining a higher level of accuracy. For that purpose, we have developed a short-angled reference sensor. You can quickly mount it in the well, and there is still room for test sensors, even for those with a transmitter head, top connector, or similar arrangement. You decide whether you wish to read the built-in reference sensor or the more accurate external reference on the calibrator's large display. The external and internal reference sensors are still independent of each other. Regardless of whether you calibrate in the workshop or in the calibration laboratory, the Jafra ATC series saves you time by automating your calibration routines. The ATC series has a built-in amplifier that can measure all temperature sensor types: resistance thermometers, transmitters, milliamps, thermocouples, voltage, and thermostats. With the calibrator programmed for automated calibrations, you can leave the ATC calibrator and turn your attention to more pressing tasks. All data is stored, allowing you to print the certificates at an appropriate time. You save both time and money on manpower and technical resources by using our complete integrated solution. It is imperative in today's business climate that calibrations be achieved accurately, safely, and quickly. Therefore, the instrument's user interface must be easy and intuitive. The ATC series keyboard is equipped with 5 function keys. Their functions are clearly explained on the display. All remaining keys have only a single function, providing a device that is easy to operate and easy to learn. All of the keys are designed to be rugged. The buttons are rubber-coated with tactile feedback and are suitable for use when wearing gloves. The ATC series backlit display has a wide viewing angle, which ensures that you can clearly read it even though you are not standing directly in front of the calibrator. The numeric values are supplemented with icons, ensuring that you are never in doubt about the status during a calibration. You design all your calibrations in the Amcal temperature software. The relevant calibrations are collected together in work orders and downloaded to the calibrator via the RS-232 interface. The calibrator stores the calibration procedures and can be taken out to the process line without bringing the PC. This is beneficial to you from 2 standpoints. First, the Jafra ATC calibrator is able to operate as a standalone calibrator using complex routines. Second, personnel who are not authorized to alter a calibration routine may operate the unit using a pre-programmed test sequence. Upon completion of the calibrations, you may upload the data to the PC for post-processing and printing of certificates. All of the calibration data gathered remains intact and is now stored on your computer. The ATC series is also capable of performing automated calibrations without using the Amcal temperature software. Using the auto step function, the calibrator is able to change between a list of user-defined temperatures automatically. You define the temperature and the stability time required for each step. The calibrator is placed at the process line, thus allowing you to be at a distance, for example, in the control room, recording the values for the relevant sensor. Upon return to the calibrator, you can key in the results. Using the automatic thermostat test, the calibrator is able to determine the open, close, and hysteresis temperatures. To provide more flexibility in your work, we have focused the design of the ATC series on functionality and quality. The display and keyboard are angled, making them easy to use on a benchtop or in a difficult space. Everything is operated via the front panel and the heat source is positioned furthest from your hands and face. A practical and convenient storage area is located behind the heat source. The calibrator is constructed of rigid aluminum plates mounted on strong upper and lower castings, providing the best combination between weight, strength, and stability. Amatec has identified a great risk for inaccuracy in on-site calibrations: an unstable main supply. Large electric motors, heating elements, and the like switch on and off in the production environment. This means that the temperature regulator in traditional temperature calibrators becomes unstable. Sometimes this may result in as much as several degrees deviation. To provide you with 100% confidence in the ATC series, Amatec has developed MVI, Main Power Variance Immunity, a unique innovation for temperature control in calibration equipment. MVI eliminates the problem, because variations in the incoming voltage are registered immediately, and the MVI circuitry keeps the energy flow constant. The result is a problem-free calibration where you can trust the stability. The Jafra ATC calibrator is the most complete dry block calibrator on the market. You're not just buying a temperature calibrator. You're buying a complete test laboratory, which you can program and take out to the process line. With the Jafra ATC series, you take your calibration routines to a new level of credibility, accuracy, and possibilities.